Now we go to see Walhalla gold mine train, which was run from 1860 to 1920 till the gold mine was working. This is the train station. Thank you for traveling. Walhalla Goldfields Railway. ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಬರೋ ಇತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಂತಿತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ನಿಂತಿತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ, ಡೀಸೆಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನ್. All groups should be pre-booked. In the interest of our volunteering something. Train is already left. No train. Only one engine there. Rest. Thompson. Walhalla to Thompson. This is the old garage, luggage sample. Hi, how is the railway track? Railway station is a historical railway station. Engine model now. This is an engine used in 1960s. Take the passenger from Thompson's to Walhalla Goldfield. It's called Walhalla Goldfield Railway engine. Now it is just a model. It's a narrow gauge track. Hi. Hello. You are waiting for the train in Walhalla platform. No train. Waiting for the train. Look, so much of luggage I have to carry of yours.